Hello. Today I'm show you how to replace your headphones cable, no matter if they are earbuds or in-ear type headphones. For both of these headphone types you can change a new replacement cable and use your headphones again for years like new. As you can see, these great Bose headphones, the original cable is old and damaged. The headphones don't work anymore. But don't worry, I'll show you how you can save at least $100 by not buying new headphones, but fixing your old ones. To do this headphone audio cable replacement task, you need to buy a new replacement cable. This can be a 3.5mm 3-pole stereo cable. This will mean the headphones will sound like new, but will not have a mic and buttons. If you want your headphones to also have a microphone and buttons, then you should buy a 3.5mm 4-pole replacement cable. The link to the replacement cables is in the video description. You will also need to get a soldering toolkit and a multimeter from your grandmother's bedside table. The first task is to cut both earphones from the old headphone cable. Then use the multimeter to find out which color wires are the ground and signal wires for the right and left channels of the new replacement cable. How to use the multimeter, please see the Tech Screw School video in the description. Then, with a sharp paper knife, make a small line on both parts of the housing. It helps both parts put back together correctly after the repair. As the earbud body is fixed without screws, housing needs to be heated to make the glue inside elastic, so that the headphones can be disassembled. The earbuds can be heated with a hairdryer on maximum heat, or with a building heat gun or with a hot air soldering gun. The earbud housing should be heated for a few minutes. Then try to open the heated housing. If you cannot open it by hand, you can use a pair of pliers to squeeze the housing like a nut. But be careful not to deform or damage the speaker driver inside. Then cut the old cable off the speaker driver, pull the old cable out of the headphone housing, clean everything so that the new replacement cable can be inserted. Before inserting the new cable, remember which headphone you have in your hand, whether it is right or left, as this affects which cable you have to insert into the headphone body. Important. So that the left speaker body is attached to the left channel cable. Then do the same for the other headphone housing. Remove the old cable and prepare the housing for the new cable, then insert the new cable. Then unsolder the old wires from the speaker driver, but remember which contact is the gold color wire, which is the ground, and the red wire, which is the signal contact. Then solder the new cable, but remember which color wire in your case was the ground and which wire was the signal wire for new replacement cable. Then do the same for the other speaker driver. As a result, both earbuds have a new cable. Then check that the earbuds can be put back together, but remember about the line that has to be exact to make the earbuds fit like the originals. If everything can be put back together, then you can put glue on the joints and press the housing together. You need to keep it pressed until the glue hardens. Then connect the headphones to the music source and play the Tech Screw left and right channel test video. Check if everything sounds correctly, if the left and right channels are correct. Then check the phase. If everything is correct and the headphones sound as good as new, then you can also check the microphone if you replace the new cable with microphone function. If everything is fine, you can also fix the cable and the decorative cover with glue to make the headphones last longer. If your headphones only have access to the cable from inside the headphone housing, then glue the cable before gluing the headphone housing together. Here's the result. A quality set of earbuds repaired and a new replacement cable changed. As always, if you have any suggestions or questions, feel free to post them below the video. My grandmother and I would also be delighted if you liked this video. Thanks and bye.